goodness, buddy. You just been a-talking and a-talking. I'm coming. More than normal talking. You hopped down quick this morning. You did? Yeah? Let's go over to the catio. It's been raining. It's maybe not currently raining. It's going to rain some more. The creek in the front yard, wow, is it moving this morning. Come on, bud. Oh, there you go. Come on, come get your food. I love you. You're dry. You knew how to stay in a dry spot. And I have on my funky St. Patrick's Day socks today with a black cat on the side. You guys all doing good? Good. Hi, Morris. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Yeah, Don's got Ruby coming out. I gotta change this water. It's dirty. Dirty, dirty. There's Ruby. In the bathroom this morning, I had to ask myself, is that the creek or is it still raining out there? And the answer was, that's the creek. I doubt Gypsy will try to come up today because he normally comes up the creek bed, and the creek bed is really flooded right now. Panther and Gray are doing good. Well, the cats are all settled, taken care of. All St. Patty's Day'd out, ready to meet Michelle for shopping at noon. And thankfully it's not pouring right now. Good morning, Ruby. Well, it's just light rain out here right now, and probably some of that's road spray, but up ahead it looks like it's raining toward downtown. I've got about 8 minutes to spare, which is just right, so hopefully we'll stay on schedule. Alright, let's see what gas is. It's still $4.19 at that Sheetz, but I saw at one of the other Sheetz it had dropped about 10 cents. I think it was $4.09. I don't remember if that was Fuquay or 1010, but it had dropped at one of the locations. Johnny's having to be my volume control mute button this morning. It's just a little far to reach when it doesn't work on the wheel. Anyway, we're downtown in the right amount of time. It's raining a little heavier in Raleigh like it looked like it would be, but there's a flash flood warning out there, but I didn't see any water particularly puddling in the road. I seen plenty off on the side in the ditch though. So I've just got about an hour. I'm just headed to St. Monica's. Johnny's gonna text me when he's ready. It only takes me a couple minutes to get over here. Yeah, he just has calculus today. So there was a garbage truck exiting campus as I was pulling onto this little narrow loop up here, and it's pretty wide right at the very exit, so I just waited till he come through. I mean, he was over as far as he could get, but I wasn't going past him. That wasn't happening. It only took him about a minute, maybe a minute and a half to exit the little, you know, thing here, and then I went on. Glad that's over. Well, I've got Johnny and we're making our way back home. On time to meet Michelle around noon like I thought. I will take Johnny to the house first. I called Lowe's, and unfortunately there's no way they can help us find the refrigerator that they hauled away for us. I didn't think they could. First off, it's been over a month, and second off, I figured with all of the appliances they haul away, that would have been a pretty tough stretch. But the guy was really helpful and genuinely empathetic about me needing the sticker. And yeah, I guess I would recommend that these guys that do haulaways, that they become aware of this requirement by some companies that people show the sticker and recommend removal before taking. That would be good, but you know, that's not aimed just at Lowe's. That's aimed at all of these businesses that haul stuff away. So, and I played Pogo and did a few raids and listened to my book and did a couple of other things on my phone, and that was about it. I was reading that a student got hit in Fuquay this morning over by the high school. person had stopped to let students cross and thought all of the students had crossed safely and went to move, and there was one student lagging behind, I guess. He didn't see them. He or she didn't see them. They didn't say too many details about the driver. I'm sure the student was not seriously injured. Their parents were called. They were looked over. I'm sure it was very traumatizing to the driver and the student. And thankfully, there were no serious injuries. Yeah, the Fuquay sheets, it's at 409 per gallon. I got Johnny dropped off, and unfortunately I heard from Michelle that she's now not going to be able to make it. Ariel has a track meet and her husband has commitments for work, and it's just not going to work out. The rain's past us now. I can't say that we won't see a, you know, drop or two, but it's pretty much north and east now. And that's good. We could stand to drive back out. So I'm going to take a trip back up there, but you know, I won't enjoy myself as much or spend quite as much time as usual. Looks like a solid day of business, but not as crowded as it was the last time I was here. I almost didn't spot that at first, but look at the black kitty. That's a Fuquay Verena dash symbol, and I was going to get it for Dawn, but it's a youth hat. That's pretty funny. I would get that for Johnny, but he wouldn't think it was half as funny as I think it is. And it's true for me too, by the way. I like both of those, and they're both too small. I got a curtain rod, a pair of shorts, and some hangers. Not much. No Legos, no jewelry. Bummer. I'm back home from Guardian Angel, and the sun is playing peekaboo with us now. Feels warm on my back now that it's out a little bit. I just heard the hawks over here. You know, I don't know where their nest is this year. And I heard them come over into the area over here and I think land on a tree limb. But I don't know where the nest is. Wish I did. So I just dropped Johnny off at Taekwondo at 7 o'clock. I know it's really late out for 7. Dawn and I didn't go for a walk. I asked him at 5 if he was going to be able to make it, and he said they got this go live thing tomorrow on this other system, and he has a deliverable he has to complete, and he just was stressed, and I didn't want to add to his stress, so we didn't go walk. We didn't try to cut him short on time. It's time for the Triangle Tesla meetup, the every other Thursday virtual meetup that I often take in the parking lot up here. So I'm going to call into that. It works pretty good from the car. They'll be able to see more this week because it won't be so dark. I won't have to light up the inside of the car with the sketch pad. I worked on the Lego thing this afternoon and got a couple kitty pictures with some St. Patrick's Day stuff, and I'm just shy of ready to put on the roller coaster track. And you know, I still have some more decorations to complete. I'm sure I'm 10 hours away, 8 hours away, 6, I don't know. I'm a little ways away, but I'm really closing in on the last steps. And I'll show you, I'll take a picture when I get back to the house. I've got corned beef in the instant pot, and it is smelling up. The whole house smells yum. But I'm, you know, I don't have the sticker set, and I'm really only missing one sticker that I care about, and that's the Joker face on the Joker sign. I'll show you. But the stickers, try to get the sticker thing, no, that would just be like a total, no, it's too expensive. It's not worth it. It's not that necessary.